Hey guys, ready to grow your company career? Here are 3 reasons why video can do just that. To learn how to make amazing videos on a budget to grow your company and career, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notified when I post a new video. If you haven't used a video yet to grow your company and career, here are the most recent video statistics that prove that video can make you more money. For the last 15 years, I've been helping companies and myself do just that, and now it's your turn. Reason number 1, like I said, you will make more money. Businesses who use video grow revenue 49% faster, and according to Forbes, 64% of customers say that seeing a video makes them more likely to buy. But it's not just about selling products. When I started my first job, I didn't know how to make videos, but I learned the craft, used it on the job, got promoted, and by the time I stopped working there, I was making more than twice as much as when I started. In fact, when I've made videos for nonprofits, I've helped them raise 3 times more money than they ever did before. Reason number 2, simply put, people want video. Back in 2016, Cisco reported that video accounted for 73% of internet traffic. That's huge. But guess what? They're forecasting it'll be 82% by 2021. When video and text are both available on the same page, 72% prefer video. And not a surprise, 85% of people said they'd like to see more video from brands in 2018. And reason number 3, people are more likely to find you online. Social video generates 1,200% more shares than text and images combined. You're 53 times more likely to show up first on Google if you have a video embedded on your website, and the average user spends 88% more time on a website with video. So what will happen if you don't use video? If you own a business or you work at a company that doesn't leverage video marketing, most likely your company will decline. And I get it. It's expensive to hire a video production company, but the fact of the matter is that most businesses need more video to make more money. And that's exactly why I'm teaching you how to make amazing videos on a budget to grow your company and career. Now that you know why you should be making videos, what are the 3 must-have videos for business? Well, I created this guy to give you a head start. It lists the first 3 types of videos any business should have. Just click the link below to download it. If this video is helpful, please let me know by liking it below and subscribing to my channel. And I would love to hear from you. Comment below with which statistic was the most surprising to you. Until then, work a pineapple life, have fun, and wear a crown. Because with video, you're going to be the hero of your team.